Window breaking hammer with a seatbelt cutter. Shatters vehicle windows and cuts seatbelts in an emergency situation. Super sharp seatbelt cutter has a recessed razor blade for safety. Double-sided hardened stainless steel hammerhead with flat, blunt side and pointed side, capped for safety. Makes a perfect gift or stocking stuffer. Top reviews from the United States. Be prepared. This was a great stocking stuffer for my 2 Eagle Scouts. Being prepared to escape the car in case of an emergency is not something we like to think about, but a family friend perished in a flash flood a few years ago. I hope we will never need to use these, but it gives me peace of mind knowing they are in the glove compartment of my son's cars.